Okay, guys, now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our Euro USD for today. So before you go, I want you to subscribe, I want you to like, and I also want you to comment. Please subscribe. Now on our Euro USD, as we can see, our prediction was correct about yesterday when I said that we would be having a drop, and guess what? We had a drop about 90 plus 98 to or about 100 pips. Those who took the trade, you should have earned a lot. You can see that we had a fall about yesterday, and guess what? Today we are opening bullish, and there's every possibility we might be going bullish today. As we can see on our index, we can see on our USD index, our USD index has pushes and hit our key area here. And guess what? You will want to be having something like a retracement, something like a fall back before you can continue going bullish. That is why. So if you are falling, having a fall today, a retracement today on our daily time frame, then definitely we will be having we'll be having a bullish move on any pair relating to it. Same thing with our Euro USD. Now we are going to be marking one of our key levels, so you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. You can see one key level here. You can see this place as serves as a support previously. Support here. This one have also given us a resistance here. You can now see that since our price has gotten to this our support, we should be having something. By the way, something like a pull back or a continue, or our price will continue to move to our resistance level, but we should have something like a pullback before we continue going down, right? Before we continue going down. But that is not it. For today only, we'll be having a bullish move on our Euro USD. Let's go on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, our price is not giving us that. If you are to watch on our 4-hour time frame, you see that our price is actually ranging within this area. Once it hits our support, it start pushing up. Now it has hit our support, and we are now having a movement upward. So for today, for Euro USD, will be going bullish, and definitely we will be closing bullish today. I believe that. Same thing with our 1-hour time frame. We also want to be going bullish as our price is not giving us that bullish move. And if you want to take this trade, I will say go on your 20 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. Wait for multiple break or structure upward, probably one or two structure break, 1, 2 or 3 break or structure upward. Then you can take your buy position. As you can see, one structure, another break or structure, this is another third break or structure. Then I will say when you wait for a little bit pullback, then you can actually not take your buy position. If you are watching it now, that is a good opportunity to actually take your trade on our Euro USD. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share.